फॉरेस्ट रायट्स खाला लोकांच्यो जमनी डिसेंबर मेरेन तांकां दिवच्यो म्हूण मुख्यमंत्र्यान घोशणा केल्ली. ह्या फाटभुंयेर उत्तर गोंय कलेक्टर अंकीत यादवान सत्तरीन बसका घेतली. जल्मी, मेळावली, धावे आनी साटरेचे फॉरेस्ट रायट्स क्लेम डिसेंबर मेरेन निकालान काडटले म्हूण कलेक्टराची म्हायती.
डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल कमेटी की मीटिंग थी टू डिटरमाइन द फॉरेस्ट राइट क्लेम्स ऑफ विलेज जारमे, दाबिंग, मलोली एंड सातरे. Today our district level committee, all the members, public representatives, DCM, SDO, member secretary from the tribal welfare department, all of us gathered here in the office of the deputy collector to determine the claims of all these villages. And now, as per the direction of honorable chief minister, we are holding a meeting every week to expedite the disposal of all the pending applications for the forest right cases of all the villages in the Sattari taluka. Our target is to complete this by the month of December. So every week around 100 cases, 70, 80 cases we are disposing of. Total there are around more than 2000 cases are there. And I think we have disposed of around 700 to 800 cases till now. And every week we are holding a meeting to dispose of roughly 100 cases. There is a broad definition of the forest that is mentioned under the Forest Rights Act. And the committee is going by that specific definition, even if it is a wildlife sanctuary and that falls within this definition, and even those cases are being considered.
प्रुडंटा खातीर कल्पेश गांवस.